Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, we are going to be making ginger butter. This ginger butter can be used on the hair as a hair butter. It can also be used on the skin as a body butter. Now, to make the ginger butter, this is the amount of ginger I'm going to be using. I'm going in to peel off the skin. If you prefer, you can also leave the skin on because there are also a lot of benefits on the skin of the ginger. But for this video, I'm peeling off the skin of the ginger. Ginger contains many fatty acids, vitamins and minerals that can help to strengthen the hair strands and prevent hair loss. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp, which helps to stimulate hair growth and strengthen the hair root and follicles. After peeling, I'm going to chop into small pieces just to help my blender because I'm going to blend it. Now add the ginger to the blender, and into that I'm adding half cup of sunflower oil and half cup of extra virgin olive oil. Of course, you can use any oil of your choice. You can use just olive oil, or you can use just sunflower oil or almond oil, coconut oil, just any oil of your choice. Feel free to use it. Now blend everything into a smooth paste. Once it's smooth enough, we are going to transfer to a cooking pan. Give it a little stir and transfer to a cooker. We are going to cook this on low heat. The lowest possible heat you can get on your cooker, that's what we are going to use. Keep stirring to make sure it doesn't burn. Guys, please don't make the mistake I made. I stepped out for a while, and by the time I came back, my ginger has turned so brown. At a point, I wanted to make another batch, but I said, okay, let me show you guys my mistake so that you know what not to do. While our ginger is cooling down, we are going to move on to the butters. So here I already measured out the amount of butters I'm going to use. Here I measured out 60 grams of mango butter and 140 grams of shea butter. Into that, I also added 50 or 51 grams of coconut oil. Now transfer that to a double boiler. We are going to let it melt. I like going in with a wooden spoon to break the butters down so they melt faster. At this point, our ginger paste has cooled down, so we are going to filter to get our ginger oil. Here is the amount of ginger oil we got. We got about 117 grams of ginger oil. Now pour the ginger oil into the melted butter. And into that, we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil. Stir everything well to mix. I like to keep it aside to cool down before I pop it into the fridge to solidify. Right here, it has solidified, as you guys can see. So I will go in with a wooden spoon to loosen it up a bit so that it will be easy to whip. Right here, I'm going in with my hand mixer to whip it real good.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left.
Once I get to this creamy consistency, I'll go in to add some essential oils and vitamin E. Here I'm using eucalyptus and tea tree essential oils.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
And after that, I continue to whip until it's really smooth, creamy, and super light. Okay, our butter is whipped and ready. I'm going in now to scoop the ginger butter into a plastic bag just so it will be easy and less messy to transfer to my container. Here I'm using a clean dry glass jar. Make sure that your container, whatever container you're using, is clean and dry. I'm going in now to gently squeeze the ginger butter into my jar, as you guys can see. And here I got 1.5 jars of ginger butter. This ginger butter is so good. You can use it on your skin, especially if you have skin blemishes or inflamed skin or stuff like that. You can also use it on your hair. This ginger butter will help to fight dandruff. It will help to condition your hair, prevent split ends, reduce inflammation, and so much more. As you guys can see, I'm applying it on my skin. It's so good for the skin, especially if you have like rashes or skin blemishes and stuff like that, or if you have inflamed skin, or if you have eczema or dry patches anywhere on your skin. Just apply it on those areas and you will see results within a short time. Before doing the protective style, as usual, I'm going in to moisturize my hair. Right here, I'm spraying my hair with a hair growth spray. This hair growth spray is made with aloe vera and cloves. After wetting my hair with the hair growth spray, I'm now going in to apply the ginger butter on my hair. You want to start from your tip and then gradually move down to your roots. The tip of our hair is the most important place when it comes to applying oils and butters, because they will help to lubricate those areas and using it in protective styles like this will guarantee length retention, since it will protect our ends, keep our hair lubricated, and strengthen our hair strands, prevent breakage and all. And because of all this, your hair will retain length. So as your hair is growing, you'll be noticing the length. After the moisturizing process, I went in with a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. My hair was so easy to detangle because the spray I used contained aloe vera gel, and coupled with the softening effect of the ginger butter on my hair, it was super easy to detangle. So after detangling, I'm now going in to take little portions of hair and twist them down. This is going to be my protective style for the week. Sometimes I even carried it more than 1 week. This particular one, I carried it for about 2 weeks. But I usually wash my hair while in twist anyway, so it doesn't matter how long I carry them. My hair will still be taken care of. This ginger butter is so good. Once you use this ginger butter as a to seal in moisture on your hair before doing protective styles like this, at least you'll be rest assured that for most part of the week your hair will remain moisturized and soft. And this is what my hair looks like after the twist. It was so soft, shiny, and bouncy. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comment in the comment section below. I love you all and see you in my next video. Bye.